In your Android phone, if you want to make conference call, you can do that. What this conference call means is that if you want to call more than one person at the same time, you can do that. In this video, we will be telling about how to make conference call in your Android phone. For this, first, what we need to do is open phone application. After opening phone application, make call to the first person. For example, I am calling this person. To make it conference call, to add more person, what you need to do is, here you can see more option, click on more. When you are clicking on that, you can see add call option, click on add call. And after that, select the second contact. For example, I am selecting this contact. I am calling this person. Wait for that person to attend this call. Now that person has attended that call. Now after that, what you need to do is, here you can see more option, click on more, and here you need to click on merge. When you are clicking on that, this will be converted to conference call. Here you can see conference call. Now in this call, 2 persons are there. If you want to add more persons, click on more and click on add more. So you can add more persons to this call. So this way you can easily make conference call in your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.